Hello and welcome to Vlogmas day 5. I'm very shocked that we've made it this far. I've had trouble vlogging in the past, but here we are. We're doing great. So today is still Sunday. I just ended the video from yesterday. That way, hopefully I can split today up since I have a lot to do, and that'll put me ahead for the upcoming videos. So today, technically, you're watching this on Monday. While I wait for my footage to upload, I'm going to go ahead and varnish both of these. And a pet portrait commission that I have. Where's my varnish? Here we go. This is what I use. And this just helps, one, bring out the color in these pieces, but also just gives it a nice shine and helps seal it and protect it. So the canvas piece, I've already, the bee flower one, that one's already done. I was just waiting for the paint to dry on these ornaments. There we go. You can see how it has that nice shine, and once it dries it still will have that shine as well. So now we're going to go ahead and do this dog portrait. It also really helps just deepen the colors. So you can see the bottom half there is what has the varnish and the top part doesn't. Alright, these just need to dry and I'll be ready to go. Didn't do a very good job at keeping this guy watered. It makes me very sad. This one was one of my grandma's plants that I've took care of for years now. And it's gone through a little rough patch here. But once I get all the dead leaves off, it won't look as bad. There will be a bare spot, which that sucks, but it's kind of just what happens. I feel like I haven't shared the princess in a while. And I just watered this and it's already dry. I thought it was supposed to be winter and they didn't need water this much. I mentioned the other day we were waiting for a coffee cup. And I think it's a squeaker too. So they will be very happy with it. It is currently 2 a.m. I'm drinking water out of a wine glass because I just like the cup and it's 2 a.m. so why not? And I also just moisturize so I feel very shiny. But I'm going to try to go ahead and get the background done on another ornament. It's a fairly straightforward background. This piece actually has a lot of sky, and a lot of them have had a lot of greenery, so I don't think this was the background of this one's going to take me very long. So I think I'm going to do that, edit this video, and then go to bed. The girls took a little nap, but now they're back playing and being wild. So hopefully they will settle back down here in a few. And yeah, I got a candle going. If you picked up in the little time lapse, I did dump my paintbrush into the candle on accident, thinking it was my mineral spirits. But the brush is fine. I got all the wax off. So that is how my evening is going. I unloaded the dishwasher, folded more laundry, the usual. Alright, so let's paint so I can go to bed. So I think that about wraps up Vlogmas Day 5. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back tomorrow. Bye!